Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share any folder over your LAN on Windows 10 or 11. Step 1. Enable sharing settings. Open the control panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Private, turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. Under All Networks, turn off password-protected sharing. Save changes and close the window. Step 2. Start required services. Search Services in the Start menu and open it. For these 4 services, SSDP Discovery, UPnP Device Host Function Discovery, Provider Host Function Discovery, Resource Publication, right-click each, Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic. Apply and OK. Step 3. Share the folder. Right-click the folder, Properties, Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Permissions. Allow full control for everyone. Apply and OK. Click the Share button. Add Everyone. Set permission to read, write. Share, confirm. And that's it. Your folder is now shared across your network.
If this helped, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.